హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరికీ స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మనం జెమినీ ఏఐ టూల్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని టెక్స్ట్ టు ఇమేజ్ ఏ విధంగా ఈజీగా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే మన థాట్స్ని ఒక క్రియేటివ్ వ్యూలో ఒక ఇమేజ్ జనరేషన్ కానీ, ఒక సోషల్ మీడియాకి సంబంధించిన ప్రమోషనల్కి సంబంధించిన పోస్టర్ కానీ, మీ యొక్క ఇన్పుట్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని ఆ యొక్క ఇమేజ్ని మీరు ఈజీగా క్షణాల్లో క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. మీరు నమ్మగలుగుతున్నారా? సో జెమినీ ఏఐ గ్రేట్గా కంటెంట్లో నానో బనానా ప్రో అని మీకు కావాల్సిన విజువలైజేషన్ని డిఫరెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో, క్లారిటీలో తప్పకుండా మీకోసం క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఒక రియల్ వరల్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూడా మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చాను. ప్రాక్టికల్గా హ్యాండ్స్ ఆన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూసేద్దాం. వీడియో చివరి వరకు మిస్ అవ్వకుండా చూడండి. మీ యొక్క వ్యూస్ కమెంట్ ద్వారా తెలియపరచండి. వెల్కమ్ హియర్. దిస్ లెక్చర్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ లైక్ క్రియేటింగ్ images, the visualizations. AI is creating a great images from text to image conversion. So what are your thoughts? What image you required? So it will create for you. If you want to create a logo, if you want to create a poster for social media promotions, and if you want to create a something like visualization, a model or any like a college or any kitchen model, anything, it is create for you, but it's required the prompt, the description level. All you have to make it light, like a style, subject, mood, which are very important to specify here. I am here, text I am giving to create an image for the prompting. Let's check it. Create a, see this one also you can choose here, this option. Nano Banana Pro is also now available on Gemini 3 Pro now. Try it means when you click it, it is going to be creating like a mobile interface to Gemini render a poetic watercolor. So it is creating an image. So image creation, Nano Banana Pro. Let's check this first. If you don't want like you just stop it, no problem. Establishing visuals. Rather than text visual creations, it may take a few seconds of time, right? Now it is a created. Getting started with the nano banana, it's created. Now I am taking a new prompt with the create image option. Describe your, see, make a comic how to use Nano Banana Pro, make a pop and turn my photo into the panorama, tell it my cinematic figure. Let's me, I am writing create a image for a for image on professional women, like on tech conference with blurred background. Let's create an image. Grammatical there is no issue. Gemini AI will understand, no worry. Create an image on professional women on tech conference with blurred background. I am trying to create it, right? HD quality. I am specifying a few words. HD quality, clean, okay, and professional. If you don't want to like no background means you can make it no background, no text. This also you can write it, it will create for you. A simple prompt I am writing here. If you don't know like writing a prompt, also you just ask to create a prompts also. In your mind thoughts, you can ask a prompt to create it. And also YouTube thumbnails, social media like a Facebook promotional posters, sizes also you should specify. It will clearly give you. At the same time, reel size, short size, you have to specify the aspect ratios over here, right? Let's take a general one first, then you just try to add your own way by creating your visuals. The text I have given as a prompt, loading Nano Banana Pro here. Let's check now. It's loading. Now you see, observe here, means like AI is working, focusing on representations. Beautiful, very beautiful. See, the image is ready now. The blurred background, the women's, the three women's are here. It is displaying. AI is generated for us. If you want, you can download. If you want, you can share it. If you want, you can take a copy. That image also you can copy. So the downloading the full size of image. Now just go to back. Yeah, it's under process, no worry. Now if you don't want this background, you can ask single woman only. If you want, means regenerate, take a copy of this. See this, take a copy of this, and here single woman, professional woman, single woman, you can put it. Tech conference with a blurred background also I have given. Single woman only I have given. Let's submit now. Right, let's submit now. Files in this chart, so many files are here, right? No problem, which is a continuation only. I have taken a previous one. Also you can edit, also edit and resubmit also is possible. You can try, no problem. Here it is a given pencil. No, once it is running means this is not enable. Once it is done, it is enabled. Okay, take a copy if you want, prompts and all. So one woman means like here, single woman, girl child, girl. You try according to your background. Like in a single office, corporate office, single girl is required, or a product promotion purposes, smile, natural smile girl is required. Which are the dresses, the colors, what is in your mind, and the image requirements. You try to ask it and generate AI for yourself. Check it. Gemini can make it mistake, so double check all it is required. Alright, చూసారు కదా ఈ వీడియోని. నిజంగా ఇట్స్ రియల్లీ అమేజింగ్ అనిపించింది నాకు కూడా. మీకు కూడా నచ్చిందా? కమెంట్ ద్వారా తెలియపరచండి. మరొక వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అంతవరకు సెలవు. ధన్యవాదాలు.